In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install ChatGPT on your computer or on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, downloading ChatGPT on your Windows computer is quite simple. You just need to follow some few steps and it'll be done. For this, you need to go ahead and look for Microsoft Store. And it is here. So if you hover over down here, you can see this icon. It is for Microsoft Store. If you click on it, it will take you to Microsoft Store. Alternatively, if you can't find this icon here, you can go to Start menu and then search for it here, or sometimes it should be under Productivity Tools. So if you go ahead and click on it, it will again take you to Microsoft Store. Now we are interested in ChatGPT and look for any app that is called ChatGPT here. If you can't find it, you need to go ahead and search for it. But first, you need to create a free account just using your Google account and it will be good to go. So I'm already logged into my account and therefore I'll go ahead and search for ChatGPT. And here we go. We have ChatGPT here already available on the Microsoft Store. To install it, just go ahead and click on install. And then this will proceed and download ChatGPT, and this will take just some few seconds. As you can see, it is not a big file, it is only 127 MBs. Now, once the installation is done, it will go ahead and install it on your computer, and you can now proceed and launch it or pin it. So if you hover over to ChatGPT again here, you can see now we have an option to open it. Now, if you go back to your desktop, you might be missing the app on your desktop. And if you want to get that shortcut, it is simple. Just go to Start menu here, and then you'll see ChatGPT is one of the recently added programs on your computer. To make sure that you get this app always or anytime you want, go ahead and right click on it and then pin to start. And here we go. It has been added to your Start menu. So from now henceforth, each time you want to use ChatGPT app, you don't have to go and search for it on the web browser. All you need to do is to come to Start menu here and then click on it to launch it here. So that's how you can download and install ChatGPT app on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.